How can we add energy or take energy away from something? Let's think about it. How do we give something gravitational potential energy? How do we stretch a spring and put elastic potential energy into it? And how do we speed something up, giving it more kinetic energy?
The quick answer is we push or we pull on them. So we apply a force and make them move. If we lift an object, we have to apply an upward force and move it upward, giving it gravitational potential energy. If we stretch or compress a spring, we have to apply a force to displace it, giving it elastic potential energy. And if we want something to accelerate, we know that a force is required, and as it speeds up, it gains kinetic energy. All three of these are examples of doing work. Work is how we put energy into or take energy out of an object. To calculate the work we do, we just multiply the force times the distance it's applied through. So work equals force times distance. Like energy, work is measured in joules. If nothing moves, is work done? If I push on the rock all day long, does its energy change? No, it doesn't gain or lose in energy because it didn't move. So the work done is zero. Look at the equation. If the distance is zero, it doesn't matter how much force is applied. The work will be zero. For work to be done, something needs to move. When the force and the distance are in the same direction, either both positive or both negative, multiplying them to calculate the work gives you a positive answer, meaning the object is gaining energy from positive work. This could mean moving upward and gaining gravitational potential like we saw with the apple, or speeding up, which would be an increase in kinetic energy. Work could also turn out to be negative if energy is being taken out of the system. This would happen if the force and the distance were in opposite directions, so one would be positive and one would be negative. Multiplying them to get the work would give you a negative answer, meaning the system lost energy.